Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. Today I'm going to bring you a bag. I got this bag absolutely free. I make absolutely no money if you buy it through Amazon, you buy it anywhere, no affiliate links. But I wanted to review it because I think it has its place with preppers and with outdoorsmen and with travelers. Now this bag is not going to replace your heavy duty bug out bag or your get home bag or the bag you keep in your car. It's not going to. But it has some good points in it because basically it's a small foldable bag. You take this bag, unfold it, and you turn it into this. This is 35 liters of space. It has a lot of features. It has 11 pockets on it. It has 2 on the side to carry water, which is very important. And it will fit all kinds of sizes. This will fit in here nicely. It does not have a hole for the camelback, so it's a sort of a negative if you're a big camelback person. But it's 8 by 7 and it only weighs 11 ounces. The reason I like this bag is for a few people in mind. Let's say you're going hiking and you're taking your big ruck and you're going for a week with a bunch of buddies. When you get to your base camp you set up, it's nice to have a bag that you can take with you with your water. You might have your camera, your personal firearm, pistol, or something you want to carry in this bag. And it's nice to have that bag. It only weighs 11 ounces, so it's not a lot of weight to carry in. But it gives you that flexibility to leave base camp and do little hikes. Also, you might be a traveler. You might be going overseas. You might be going to go on vacation, and you're taking a suitcase with you. But you know you're going to do little expeditions during that time. You might be just going to the beach. So a bag like this, you can put your towels in it, your flip-flops, your sunscreen, and you can go do what you need to do. Now for the bug out bag, let's say you're a businessman. I've seen them all the time. I have a couple buddies that travel a lot. And you wear a suit because you represent a major company. And you take a nice little suitcase with you. You probably don't want to carry this. It's not good for your image walking through the airport or your business. So you carry a suitcase. Putting this in your suitcase will give you that option. If something happens while you're gone, you can take this out, fold it out, grab a few of your clothing, and then just grab some water, grab some snacks, and you can bug out. So there's a lot of options for this, and other people might work at a major company. You carry a briefcase to work. You might put this in your desk, so if something happens, you can quickly gather some supplies from your desk, grab some toilet paper from the bathroom, some snacks from the snack room, and you can bug out without even going back to your car. So this has a purpose. It does not replace your get home bag, your bug out bag. Absolutely not. Let me show you a few options on this one that I'm not crazy about for some reason. It has a USB cord inside and it runs out here to an outlet. So basically what you do is you take your battery pack, put it inside, and then you can plug your phone right into this and put it on the outside. The crazy thing is, I'm not crazy about it because I have a few different ones of these charging blocks and I can't turn it on. Now some are a little easier than others, but if I have it on, I have to reach in there, open it up and turn the thing on and then plug it in. I'll be honest with you, I would use this more just like this and put it in the side pocket than this charging port. That's just me. You might like the charging port. I think it's a little bit wasteful. All right, so let's look at this really quick. This is a TOTALPAC. Basically, you unzip it and you just pop it out. It doesn't like to keep its form unless you have a lot of stuff in it, as you can see. Zip this back up. And there you go, you have your small backpack. You can see it doesn't keep its form, but when you have some stuff in it, it works great. There's no padding really in the back of this because it's only 11 ounces. These have thick padding, so you can carry a lot of bulky items. So you're going to have to pack this correct. You're going to have to either put a small towel, some clothing, if you do carry anything that's going to poke you in the back. So this is the bag. It's TOTALPAC. It's made out of like a windproof, like a windbreaker material, like a nylon. They have guaranteed this thing a lot. Their guarantee is pretty good. If you have any problems, just contact them. I think they'll actually replace it. So, is this for everyone? No, it's not. It's for the person that needs something that folds up. A traveler, businessman. Question is, this thing is $24.99 on Amazon. They had a coupon running. I would not pay $24.99 for this. I just would not do it. But they have a 50% off coupon. I actually called or sent a text to the company yesterday, and they said all their coupons were discontinued. They're not using any. But I did find one. It's called TOTALP50. Total P50. I'll put that in the description so you can see it. And I actually ordered one today, about 2 hours before this video was made, for $12.49 off of Amazon. For me, that was a good deal. They did send me two, and I have uses for those, and I needed a third one. So I ordered one. So for me, it's definitely worth, if I had to spend my hard-earned money, it's definitely worth the $12.49. To me, my money would stay in here if it was $25.99. If you've got any questions about the bag, this bag ain't for everyone, but if you need something that's compactable, that you can carry easily and then flip it open and have a bag, then this one's for you. Thanks for watching.